Welcome to my channel. This is Technophile Awesome. In this video we're gonna see about the cryptography. What is cryptography? Very important thing in the hacking field. Cryptography is the art of converting the plain text into the unintelligible format like ciphertext. What does it mean? If you tell hello and converted into an unlegible ciphertext, it will be like DCEO345 like that. It cannot be readable by the human, but it can be readable with that same cipher model with the receiver. The receiver side, that ciphertext is converted into the plain text, so the receiver can read the text file. The cryptography mainly aims at privacy. It mainly for privacy and integrity. It keeps the information safe and secure for the user. Ancient technique like Greeks, they used it as a symbol denote plain text message. Like they used to have some mountains like birds and some all stuff they will be having, and they will be communicating through that. The terminologies that use in the cryptography is the plain text, means the actual message that the sender is sending to the receiver. The ciphertext is the unintelligible text and a normal person cannot understand this. The normal text is converted into an something text file, but it is an ununderstandable format. Encryption, converting the plain text into the ciphertext through some cipher module. De-encryption is that converting that ciphertext to the normal text. This will be on the receiver side. Cryptanalysis is the study of understanding how crypto works and finding weaknesses. Like there may be any loopholes that the hackers can get the crypto code, the ciphertext into the normal plain text, and they get the information from it. So the cryptanalysis will understand what are the loopholes there, what are the weaknesses, what are those strength them to the utmost privacy and security to maintain that. Cryptanalyst, the person who do cryptanalysis is called cryptanalyst. These are the terminologies we use. I personally suggest a film to watch, The Imitation Game, that was done by Benedict. It in that film the ciphertext will be cracked with a machine. The hero does it. Like in the World War II, the Alan Turing, the whole best mathematician in Britain, he cracked the Enigma machine. The Enigma machine is used as an encryption module to encrypt a normal plain text to the ciphertext, so the receiver only can understand the normal plain text. If you want, you can watch the film, it's quite good. Then you come understand the cryptography. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.